26 here to do tips, repairs, and hobbies, and I want to show you a few tips on the iMac and Big Sur actually, and just a couple tips. So stay tuned. So here we are on the iMac, and we're going to go up to the time and click on the time and see all the notifications you have in there. Okay, and you can adjust them all you want. You can drag them, move them around, put this over there, drag this up here if you want, put that on top. So you click over here, and then let's see, there's another one. Let's see, that's that one. Here's the other one. Okay, here's your Wi-Fi right there. And AirDrop, you can turn on and off. Your Bluetooth, do not disturb right there. Your display for the color, see the color switching, and your volume. So I just wanted to show you that, and I hope this tip helps you with Big Sur. And I hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching.